This grout pen brightens and recolors your grout in seconds. It's ideal for any space that has floor or a ceiling tile. Here's a before and after using the pen. This reusable spray bottle is a cute way to hold your cleaning products. The Angry Mama easily cleans your microwave without any harsh chemicals. Simply add vinegar and water, put in your microwave for 7 minutes, take out, and easily wipe your microwave clean. No need to scrub or use any chemicals to get your microwave spotless. Link in bio to shop all of these products.
Yeah, baby, you did this. Damn. Yeah, you did that. Bad bitch Monday night.
Amazon Favorites of All Time Edition. I feel like it's been a while since I found a really good product on Amazon, and I finally have something for you guys. It is awesome. So we don't have a mudroom, which leaves a lot of salt and snow in our kitchen. Stumbled across this one that has over 500 5-star reviews, and I'm so excited I have it. It can work for up to 3 hours with the charge. You can use it dry or wet, or even use it for waxing your floors. I cleaned my entire first floor in under 15 minutes. It's so efficient and really easy to use. Similar to a Swiffer, you just press the button and the liquid comes out, which makes cleaning a breeze. I guess this means I'm officially old that I'm this obsessed and excited about a cleaning product, but there's nothing more satisfying than cleaning your house. I linked this on my blog, happilyinspired.com, or just swipe right for my link in bio. Happy cleaning!
This 6-in-1 meal prep station is genius. The top is a cutting board complete with juice grooves, and underneath are 4 microwave and dishwasher safe containers complete with bamboo tops to store your food. And they stack on top of one another for easy storage. This meal prep station also comes with 4 interchangeable graters to slice, mince, and grate your food. And when not in use, this meal prep station looks beautiful displayed on a counter.
Alright, if you hate cleaning, here is a tool that you can try. It's called timed cleaning. I know it sounds really simple, but it is so powerful. I'm going to put 15 minutes on my timer. I have a time timer from Amazon that's a visual timer. And here's why this is so helpful for me. 2 reasons. 1, I tend to vastly overestimate how long things are going to take. So when I look at a project like cleaning my downstairs, I avoid it because it seems like it's going to take so long. When in reality, I actually get so much done in 15 minutes. But the other reason it's so helpful is that I can tell myself I'm just going to do 15 minutes and then sit down and do something I like. It doesn't feel like this big impossible task because I can actually just stop after 15 minutes, even if it's not all done. In the end, I find the timer kind of makes me go faster than I normally would and get done more than I normally would, and it's so helpful for me.
Amazon for the win, part 188. I rarely paint my nails because I do not have time to sit and let them dry. I'm a busy mom and I have too much going on. I'm trying the Essie Quick Dry Nail Polish. It's supposed to dry within 1 minute, no base or top coat needed. It's a vegan formula and comes in 50 different colors. Let me tell you guys, I cannot believe that this nail polish actually dried within 1 minute. It has over 9,000 reviews and I can totally see why I love it.
This is the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner. Here's a dirty shoe that I found in my closet. Honestly, didn't have to look very far. So all you do is soak the brush in water, add some Miracle Cleaner to it, and then scrub. And scrub some more. Can you spot the clean shoe, anyone? Even the sole looks a lot.
That Girl must-haves for 2022. This 25-ounce water bottle comes in lots of cute colors, has a top big enough to fit ice cubes, and comes with 2 totally leak-proof caps so you can easily toss this into your gym bag. It's also cup holder friendly, perfect for cars or Pelotons, and chic enough to take with you to the office so you stay hydrated all day long.
A lot better.
Random Amazon items you didn't know you needed. If you have an animal or just don't like cleaning the floors a lot, you definitely need this vacuum. This is the Shark Robot Vacuum. Leave it on when you're gone and it will do all of the cleaning for you.
This drink pod can do many different things. Pour a margarita mix, a little bit of tequila, salt, ice, a sliced lime, and press down to reach your desired carbonation level to enjoy a delicious glass of your favorite morning cocktail. Not only can you create fruit-infused sparkling water, but you can carbonate rosé wine, any juice you'd like, and even recarbonate beer and soda that has entirely gone flat. So is this something you need or don't?
And we're back with another round of Amazon items you didn't know you needed. Okay, but you know this product is amazing since it already went viral on TikTok. It's the Bizzle Little Green Carpet Cleaner. Let's just say I used it for the first time today and I'm obsessed. I thought this carpet was clean until this happened.
makeup that almost every Korean girl has owned at one point in their life. The Hera Cushion. It's a cult favorite for a reason. The Too Cool for School Trio Shading. I've gone through so many of these. It's so multi-purpose. You can use it on your eyeshadow, nose contour, or around your cheeks. And third, the Innisfree Tinted Lip Balm. It comes in so many different shades, and I have one in every bag I own.
Amazon kitchen favorites. If cooking or baking looks like this and fills your dishwasher with dirty cooking utensils, you need this digital cooking bowl. It accurately measures both wet and dry ingredients, and you can easily convert from ounces and pounds to fluid ounces, milliliters, and grams at the touch of a button. This gadget speeds up meal prep and eliminates extra dirty dishes. And I love that this gadget comes with a stainless steel bowl, but it also fits most size bowls.
My cow.
Welcome back to Clean Talk. This blind cleaner comes with 5 micro sleeves and is under $10. It makes dusting your blinds fast and easy. This electronic cleaning brush has 2 sides. The side with soft bristles gently sweeps away dust, and the silicone side grabs dirt from small, hard-to-reach places on your electronics. This brush is ideal for cameras, screens, phones, and keyboards. Link in bio to shop all products.
I'm officially never buying Windows.
This wireless electric mini chopper allows you to get evenly minced food in seconds at the touch of a button. It's perfect for garlic, onions, or any type of recipe that calls for minced produce. And protect your sink from wear and tear with the sink protector mat that can be adjusted into multiple configurations. The elevated bottom allows your water to drain freely in the sink. This kitchen gadget scoops and strains food in one easy motion and can rest across your cookware. It eliminates the need for a colander, and it's dishwasher safe.
Again. I found these nano towels on Amazon in my quest to find healthier cleaning options for my house. I cleaned this toothpaste Armageddon or whatever happened in that bathroom so easy. So all you do is just get the towel slightly wet and it will clean anything. And I'm going to prove it to you because I tried it on everything. My iPad, no problem. I felt kind of silly, but I tried it on my grandma's silver, which clearly I've never polished, and it took the tarnish off. There's no chemicals in it, they use Nanolon fiber, and it cleans with just water. I tried it on these water spots from the sprinkler on my slider, but I got too cold to finish, so I have one slightly clean section on my slider, but it worked really well. The best part, just throw them in the washing machine when you're done. I'll put a link in my bio.
Here are some ways to save on your heating bill. If you have vents in awkward spots, this heat and air deflector has magnets that stick to your vents and improves heat and air flow so you can turn down your thermostat and feel warmer at the same time. This tabletop fireplace uses rubbing alcohol and creates a tabletop campfire inside your home. This low wattage space heater has an LED display, connects to any outlet, and provides heat to the surrounding areas up to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And this booster air vent has fans that suck in heated air from your vents to those rooms that don't get proper airflow.
Do not spend $400 or $500 on a Dyson vacuum until you try this one I found from Amazon. It is cordless, it works so dang good, and it is honestly my favorite purchase of 2020 from Amazon.
It just slides under your bed and Zoom's bed table. For working at home.
Cleaning product that is just too good not to share. You can see here I have this hardwooder stain. It has been here for 2 years. I'm going to be using this little product right here. It's a highly rated viral cleaning hack, so let's go ahead and put it to the test. I am seriously mind blown. If you guys want to see more viral cleaning products that I test out, check out the full video on my YouTube channel.
Amazon for the win, part 184. I love flavored water, but I hate all of the artificial flavors and sugars that come along with it. So I decided to get a water bottle that allows me to make my own flavored water. It has over 6,000 reviews. Put any sort of fresh fruit in the center, give it a shake, and then you have all natural, fresh fruit infused water. It is BPA free, it is leak proof, and it fits in your cup holder of your car. It's a must have. Amazon for the win, part 185. When it comes to makeup, I love a good highlighter. I just found this one off of Amazon. It is cruelty-free and vegan. It comes with a roller and it has the perfect pearlescent shade with gold undertones. It is great for all skin types. Roll the roller onto the highlight and you can see that it just gives you a beautiful golden glow. I love using this on my collarbone area, and the sponge makes it really easy to add highlighter to your cheek and to your face.
4 Amazon kitchen items that just make sense. Stainless steel air fryer is absolutely amazing. I think ours is the 6-quart. There are so many cooking options. It came with an entire recipe book with so many different options. I have no problem leaving this thing out on the counter. If you haven't tried it, you need to. This frother is $15. It is battery operated. It is absolutely amazing. You can use it to froth your coffee, but I also use it to mix my collagen. It works amazing. It is so well made. It is held up really well, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. If you like iced coffee, this is going to save you so much money. You will thank me later. You fill up that inside with your coffee grinds, dump some cold water into it all the way, stick it in the fridge for 6 to 12 hours depending on the strength of your coffee, and there you have it, at home iced coffee, way cheaper than Starbucks, and you can make it your own way. If you're like me and you're obsessed with Yetis and you love carrying around a drink all day long but you hate the price of Yeti, this brand, Simple Made, is going to be your next best thing. It comes with a straw. You don't have to have a straw. The lid closes. It's an insulated tumbler. It comes in a ton of colors, and it's under $25.
Cleaning favorites from Amazon. First are these reusable sponge cleaning cloths. They're a great replacement for paper towels, and they're super absorbent. All you do is wet the cloth and wipe down. And when you're done, you can just throw it in the washing machine or dishwasher to clean. And lastly, this Folux carpet spot remover is great at removing stains on furniture as well. It's so easy to use and works like a charm.
Amazon for the win, part 187. I have been looking for healthy ceramic nonstick pans, and I think I found an amazing set. These have over 29,000 reviews. They're made from recycled aluminum. They're free of PFAs and PFOAs. They're easy to clean, dishwasher safe. They have stay cool handles, and it comes in a 16-piece set, which includes a stainless steel steamer and 4 utensils. They come in a few different colors. I opted for the black and cream, and I love them.
Amazon Favorites Cleaning Edition. First up is a set of brushes. This scrubber is my favorite in the set because you can fill it with soap. When you push down, it releases the soap as you clean. Refillable glass bottles. These dual-sided sparkly sponges. I always use these microfiber towels when I'm cleaning, especially when I use the pink stuff. It's great for removing stains and marks. This highly concentrated detergent is great at brightening whites. And last up is this dish soap dispenser. Press down to put soap right on your sponge.
This is season 2, and this is part 53 of 365. You can add a light switch anywhere you want without any wiring or drilling. This lamp socket screws into any lamp or ceiling light and comes with a wireless light switch that can turn your lights off and on up to 80 feet away. You can screw it in, or even better, use mounting tape, and it's great for replacing those basement or closet lights with a pull string. You can now turn those lights off and on from a distance. So is this something you need or don't?
Amazon gadgets I love. This gadget is actually a mini handheld vacuum. It's great for cleaning up small messes around your house when you don't want to take out your regular vacuum. It's super lightweight and sleek, wireless and portable. And when you're done using it, you can stand it up or hang it up.
Here's something I bought during my pregnancy that was a total game changer, and now I can't live without it. It was of course difficult to keep my legs shaved, so this razor extender can extend up to 20 inches and rotate up to 90 degrees, so I'm able to shave my entire legs without having to bend at all at the waist. It could also be ideal for anyone with back problems or for showers with little space.
Okay, I talked a lot about my favorite finds from Amazon, but today I'm going to share my most used item. The cordless 2-in-1 vacuum mop is seriously my BFF. It's so easy to use and convenient. Attach a pad to the bottom and it sucks debris and crumbs and absorbs all messy spills on hard floors. Best part, there's no filter or maintenance required, just toss the pad when it's full and soiled. I keep it by my dining table to clean up all kids' messes.
Anyone else hate getting pickle juice all over your fingers? This deluxe pickle pincher has a built-in stainless steel spring that allows you to cleanly and easily take pickles out of the jar without getting your fingers wet. If you want to avoid tears when chopping onions, these onion glasses have thick padding around the rim that will protect your eyes so you can chop onions without any more tears. And if you often eat avocados one half at a time and let the other half go bad, this avocado saver has a space for the pit and an elastic band that will prolong the life of your avocados.
I'm a housekeeper and I will give you the best cleaning hack of your life. Get this brush or something very similar from Target. You're going to get Dawn dish soap and vinegar. Yes, I say vinegar weird. Don't make fun of me, okay? Once you're done, you're going to take it and put it inside your shower. You know where this is going, right? Now, once a week, when you're putting that hair mask on, take your little brush and wash your shower while showering. If you're going to follow any of my tips, please let it be this one. Like and
Amazon kitchen products you won't regret buying. First is this butter crock. I recently just found out about this, but now my life has changed and I'll never go back. There's nothing worse than getting cold, hard butter out of the fridge. This thing stores your butter, it makes it super soft and spreadable, and it lasts for up to 30 days. Next up are these gorgeous gold measuring cups. I love that the measures are engraved at the bottom, and the best part is the set comes with the measuring spoon, so everything matches and there are other colors. I'm getting ready to organize my fridge, so I've been on the hunt for cool gadgets, and I love this herb saver. It can store rosemary, parsley, basil, even asparagus. You put a little bit of water at the bottom and it just keeps it fresher longer. It's great and it stores perfectly in your fridge. Speaking of fridge organization, I found the best containers. They come in a set of 3. They're great quality. These are going to work perfectly for storing my cut and prepped fruits and vegetables, which make them really easy to grab. And I love that these ones come with the drainer at the bottom and the vented design on top.
Follow for more.
If you haven't heard of or used this stuff, it is seriously awesome. It's cleaning paste that you can use for tough stains or different marks around your house. As you can see, there are pen marks all over this table and they just completely wiped off. You can also use it for your stove or different appliances. Here is the before and after. It is seriously like magic.
This is one of the coolest Amazon gadgets I've found. It's an outlet cover with a nightlight built into it. All you do is replace your standard outlet covers with these. Every time the lights go off, the nightlight turns on automatically. Perfect for kids' rooms and bathrooms too.
If you're looking to do some spring cleaning in your house or just some deep cleaning in general, then here's something you should try. It's a handheld pressurized steamer that comes in a 9-piece set, and you don't have to use any cleaning solution, any harsh chemicals. You just fill it with water and the steam is able to eliminate any dirt, grease, or grime in your home. We mainly like to use ours to clean the grout on the floor, the tile, or in your shower, and it seriously blasts away all the dirt and grime and makes your grout look brand new, but you can use it for so many different things, your appliances, your car, or just other parts of your home.
Testing Amazon's top-rated makeup products. Hi, I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I'm testing Essence Lash Princess Mascara. This mascara claims to be lengthening and thickening. Let's see how this goes. I did at least 2 coats of the mascara, and I will say, it held the curl of my lash. It did lengthen, it did add volume, and most importantly, it stayed and did not smudge. Huge props. It also washed off easily. I give this mascara full approval. It's
Exotic bloom is of course Pisces. And then we have Cancer's lavender. Who else thinks that Desert Haze is definitely a Scorpio? And we have the Tropical Papaya Paradise as Sagittarius. The classic coconut lime is Aries. We feel like Leo is definitely fitting for Tropic Glow.
A cleaning must-have from Amazon. These will work wonders on your shower tile, your grout, your kitchen floor, or just any place that really needs a good deep clean. They're brush scrubber attachments that attach straight to your drill. They also have an extender for kind of hard to reach places, but they snap on and off, super easy to use and to interchange. And obviously the drills can be a lot more powerful than your arm, and your arm won't kill you by the time you're done cleaning, but this will help to get a really good deep clean, super scrub, especially on kind of the tougher stains that you wouldn't normally be able to get out.